The 2026 Toyota Sienna continues as a hybrid-only family minivan, built for buyers who want maximum space, comfort, and efficiency with modern tech and safety, rather than an SUV compromise. On the outside, the 2026 Sienna keeps its SUV-influenced styling. A bold grille, slim LED headlights, and sculpted sides give it more presence than a traditional boxy van, while the long roofline, large sliding doors, and wide tailgate make its priorities clear. People and cargo. Available 18 or 20-inch alloy wheels and sporty or chrome exterior trim, depending on grade, let you lean more toward rugged or premium. Inside, the Sienna is all about space and family usability. Depending on configuration, it seats 7 or 8, with either a second-row bench or available captain's chairs. Higher trims offer long slide captain's chairs with Ottoman-style leg rests, turning the second row into lounge seating on road trips. Materials are durable yet increasingly upscale on top trims, with soft touch surfaces, available leather upholstery, and thoughtful storage everywhere, door bins under console storage, and plenty of cup holders. Technology is a major strength. A large central touchscreen runs Toyota's latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, and available built-in navigation and connected services. A digital or semi-digital instrument cluster shows trip data, hybrid information, and safety alerts clearly. Multiple USB-C ports in all 3 rows, available wireless phone charging, and an optional rear entertainment system keep everyone powered and entertained. Higher trims can be had with a premium audio system for better sound on long drives. Under the hood, the 2026 Sienna remains hybrid only. A 4-cylinder petrol engine works with electric motors and a battery packed through an eCVT. The result is strong low-speed response in town and significantly better fuel economy than non-hybrid vans, especially in stop-start driving. Front-wheel drive is standard, with electronic all-wheel drive available on many trims, using an additional rear motor for extra traction in poor weather. No driveshaft tunnel needed, preserving interior space. On the road, the Sienna is tuned for comfort and quiet. Steering is light and easy for city use and parking, while the suspension is set to absorb bumps and rough surfaces without feeling floaty. At highway speeds, the hybrid system settles into a relaxed, efficient cruise, and cabin noise is well controlled, making it ideal for long family trips. Practicality is where the Sienna shines. The third row folds flat into the floor to create a large, level cargo area, while the second row, depending on market and spec, can slide far forward or be removed for maximum space. With rows folded or out, the Sienna can handle everything from big Costco runs to DIY projects. The power sliding doors and power tailgate, hands-free on higher trims, make loading kids and cargo much easier in tight parking spaces. Safety is comprehensive, as expected from Toyota. The 2026 Sienna comes with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite on most trims, including pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and road sign recognition. Available blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, parking sensors, and a rear-view or 360-degree camera system add extra confidence in busy car parks and school drop-off zones. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Toyota Sienna is expected to start in the low to mid $40,000 range for base hybrid models, with better-equipped XLE, Limited, Platinum, and AWD trims moving into the high $40,000s to mid $50,000s depending on options and market. Considering its efficiency, space, safety tech, and Toyota's reputation for reliability and resale, it remains one of the smartest choices for families who prioritize practicality over SUV image. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Grav on Cars, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest family vehicle reviews. Tell me in the comments. For the 2026 Sienna, would you choose a more basic family-focused trim or go all in with the lounge-style captain's chairs and AWD? Thanks for watching Grav on Cars. Drive safe, travel smart, and keep moving forward.